In front of me is Black Shark 5, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this device. At first, open the settings, then find and select passwords and security, and here click on fingerprint unlock. And at first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code, or the password. Let me choose pattern. And as you can see, you have to remember the pattern, pin, or password, because otherwise you will lose all your data. And now just draw your pattern. Now you need to confirm it one more time. And it's time to add your fingerprint. So fingerprint sensor is located here on your power button. So smoothly grab your phone as you usually hold it, and now just add your fingerprint by smoothly tapping on the sensor. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.